one narrow sea route is once again creating fear across the global economy. The Strait of Hormuz. And now, rising tensions involving Iran, America, and Israel are making the entire world nervous about oil supply and fuel prices. At first, the Strait of Hormuz may look like just another waterway on the map. But experts say it is actually one of the most strategically important shipping routes on Earth. Why? Because nearly one-fourth of the world's seaborne oil trade passes through this narrow corridor located between Iran and Oman. Every day, massive oil tankers carrying crude from Saudi Arabia, Iraq, Kuwait, the UAE, and other Gulf nations must travel through Hormuz before reaching international markets. That means even small military tension in this region can immediately affect oil prices, shipping costs, fuel supply, and global economic confidence. And naturally, markets across the world become extremely sensitive whenever tensions rise near Hormuz. Now, recent developments involving Iran, regional military activity, and growing geopolitical confrontation have once again increased fears of disruption in the strait. And social media immediately exploded with dramatic questions. Can Iran block world oil supply? Will petrol prices rise again? Could this trigger a larger global crisis? Because people understand one important reality. Modern economies run on energy. And energy depends heavily on uninterrupted shipping movement. That is why the Strait of Hormuz is watched so carefully by governments, oil companies, financial markets, and military forces worldwide. And if you enjoy powerful geopolitical explainers and future-focused current affairs like this, your one like, one share, and one subscribe genuinely motivates us to continue creating premium quality informative videos every single day. What makes this situation especially important for India is the country's heavy dependence on imported crude oil. India imports a major share of its energy requirements from Gulf countries. That means instability near Hormuz can eventually affect petrol prices, diesel costs, transport expenses, inflation, and household budgets across the country. Experts say even fear alone can increase oil prices rapidly, because markets react not only to actual disruption but also to uncertainty. Shipping companies may become more cautious, insurance costs can rise, and global fuel markets can become volatile within hours. At the same time, security analysts warn that the Strait of Hormuz is not only an economic route anymore. It is also a geopolitical pressure point. Because whoever influences this route can affect global trade, energy stability, and international diplomacy itself. The larger reality is becoming increasingly clear. One narrow sea route now influences the daily lives of billions of people worldwide. Because in the modern world, a crisis happening thousands of kilometers away can still affect fuel prices, food inflation, transport costs, and economic stability inside ordinary